Welcome to this tutorial brought to you by the Mark of Excellence. In this video, we want to study and learn how to solve exponential equations. Stay tuned and do not fail to subscribe to this channel to learn more. Exponential equations are equations that have to do with indices. You can also call them indicial equations. Let's take examples. Simplify or solve the following equations. One, 3x raised to the power of 3 is equals to 24. Number 2, x raised to the power of minus 2 upon 3 is equals to 9. Okay. So the solution of this problem looks like this. Number 1 is 3x raised to the power of 3 is equals to 24. First of all, let's divide both sides by 3. So x raised to the power of 3 is equals to 24. We'll divide both sides by 3. You have this x raised to the power of 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So this is x raised to the power of 3. To take care of the cube, we are going to take the cube root of 8. So x is going to be the cube root of 8. And that gives us 2. Alright, let's see the second one. Number 2 is x raised to the power of minus 2 upon 3 is equals to 9. First of all, let's find a way to take care of the negative power, negative exponents. This becomes 1 upon x raised to the power of 2 upon 3 is equals to 9. So this 1 upon the reciprocal of x have taken care of the negative number, negative power there. So now we can cross multiply. This becomes 1 upon 9 is equals to x raised to the power of 2 upon 3. So now this is, we're supposed to take the cube roots of this to take care of this 3. This 3 is supposed to mean cube roots. But since it is attached to an unknown, we are going to take the root. We are going to take the cube of this 3 here. So it's going to be 1 upon 9 raised to the power of 3. Yes, is equals to x raised to the power of 2. Right. This taking the cube of this have taken care of this cube root that is supposed to be here. Alright, this becomes 1 upon 9 raised to the power of 3 is 729. 729 is equals to x squared. Okay, now this implies that x squared is equals to 1 upon 729. Now the next thing we need to take care of is this power raised to the power of 2. So to take care of square, we need to take square root. So x is equals to plus or minus the square root of 1 upon 729. So x is equals to plus or minus 1 upon 27. I hope it's understood. Okay, the problem on board is another indicial equation, and to solve it, we follow this step. This 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2 y. 2 raised to the power of 2y minus 3 into 2 raised to the power of y minus 4 is equals to 0. So this is the same thing as, now the next thing we are going to write, this 2 raised to the power of 2y can be written as this 2 raised to the power of y is 2 minus 3 raised to the power of 2y, 2 raised to the power of y minus 4 is equals to 0. Now we are seeing 2y here and another 2y here. So let's say, let's k be equals to 2 raised to the power of y. So we are going to replace k with 2 raised to the power of y. So what we have there is k squared minus 3 times k minus 4 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. So let's see how we can solve it, whether it can be factorized. Minus 4. Two numbers are when we times, we are going to give us minus 4. And when we add, we are going to have minus 3. So we have 1 and minus 4. 1 times minus 4 is minus 4, and 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So we have k plus 1 and k minus 4. All this is equals to 0. So we move to this side. This is a quadratic equation, so we can say k plus 1 is equals to 0. It's equals to 0. So k is equals to minus 1, or k minus 4 is equals to 0. K is equals to 4. Therefore, k is equals to minus 1 or 4. But remember, we introduced k. K is not in the problem. So let's relate it back to y. Remember, we said that but k was equals to 2 raised to the power of y. So we say that when k was equals to minus 1, we say that minus 1 is equals to 2 raised to the power of y. This cannot be simplified further, so we stop there. Let's see when k is equals to 4. So we say that k 4 is equals to 2 raised to the power of y. So this can be simplified to 2 raised to the power of 2 is equals to 2 raised to the power of y. Now 2 crosses 2, y is equals to 2. Therefore, we can invariably say that y is equals to 0 and 2. Right, we stop there. If you have any problem, drop in our comment box, and do not fail to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for listening.